Hi guys, I got something special here called the $1,000 microphone, so I think I'm wobbles. Wait, yeah, like that, but I'm just gonna put you guys over here because you can. Now, right here is what I got. Now, I'm learned how to, like, play. Now, what you do is you hold it. Then I'm just gonna put, hi. Yeah, it's like on, but when you like do this, hi. Ready? Hi. Hello? Like, really put some echo in there, like, hi. Hello? Ha. My boy. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you will be, I don't know. It's weird because it's like really cool because like the echo in it, it's just amazing. Now, I want to see my song I made up called Survive the Night. You know, by Mad Pony, I sang it with him. That was pretty formal. But wait, let's see the part. Hey there, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Are you new in town? Don't think I've seen you before. Oh, it's great to see new faces around. And if you like it, I can give a tour of our enchanting wonderland. Noon and proof without the doors. There's no escape, but who would wanna leave? It's a fantastical paradise, and it's not make believe. I'm so glad to have another member of the band. You're one of us now, so let me take you by the hand. But what is that a spy with my robotic eye? I see beautiful flesh inside the new guy. Maybe he isn't everything that he seems. Time to investigate what's underneath the seams. Forgive me for I sound really good in that part for some reason. Forgive me for being suspicious. This is not my plan for perfecting. For enough to be problematic if someone messes with the main brain. It's not that we trust you. We do. We love you too. It's just here, Freddy's. We love you for real. Right? Right. So, what do you guys want to say? What do you want to say? Say it. Huh? I'm trying to make Freddy's laugh. Ready? Huh? No. Hee 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 hee. Ha ha. Hee hee ha. Hee hee. Hee hee. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now if you do this, we're really quite surprised we get to see you nothing I should've. Actually, we're really quite surprised we get to see you now, and I should've looked for another job. You should've said to this place goodbye. Like that. It's like this. We're really quite surprised we get just to see you another night. Now you should've looked for another job. Now you should've said to this place goodbye. There's so much more if you've been in this place before. I don't recognize you. You are new. I remember this. scenario. However, the strange thing they want to do to come here. There's a space under the desk, so before you crafted it into the hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend you hurry though, you'll lose interest. That's maybe from Five Nights at Freddy's. But if you do like the creepy part, cause like baby is like the purple guy's like son, and the puppet's trying to protect her. Seems to be so basically they were saying you won't die, you won't die, you won't die, over and over again. And then minigame, you should guys go play or watch on YouTube. Type up you won't die. This is the location. Then you won't die, you won't die, you won't die. You won't die. You won't die, you won't die. You won't die, you won't die, you won't die, you won't die, you won't die. You won't die. You won't die, you won't die, you won't die. You won't die, you won't die. You won't die. Our vision spinning from my head to my toe. I even love them spinning right here on my nose. Yeah, my nose. I got one on my left. I got another. Well, these are pretty good. It's a wonder. I see things to say to you. Hey, down here. Down here. Can you see me? Hey, down here. Down here. I'll put it next to here. Well, that's always going to be next to the camera. As always. Actually, I don't. You guys can hear it. Hi. My name's Rolanda. Hi. Hello. Hey there, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, subscribe, comment down below, say next. Lip. Ha.